Lyfe Smoothies video for you. As you can see, man, it's cold as hell outside. It's snowing, but you know, while y'all inside enjoying what we call that damn good life, I'm out here working it out. But just a recap from last time, man. You got your cabinets in here, everything installed, everything all flush up against the wall, looking all flawless as it should. I had to take that TV out because I'm redoing the actual brackets that are on the TV. But you know, you got that in there, got the cold service table in there, you got your refrigerator in here, and the other base cabinet. What I'm doing new, or what's new from last time, is of course, you know, this whole side is done. That plumbing is in there. Hot and cold lines have been installed. You got your hot cold lines in here. Everything's roughed in. I just got to do the connections, all the the on off switches, all the valves. I got to install those. Got your partition here, partition up top here. This will be the service sink here, and this will be the employee sink, and then all countertop space. So you got countertop here, countertop there, countertop there, and then we'll have some base cabinets up top next. Base cabinet here, one there, and then we're going to put one more over here. Just got to finish sanding this out, compounding that, that joint looking nice right there. But what I'm looking to do today is to install the sink. I just have all the connections actually for that. All the connections in the back, and then you got the sink right here. So that's what's happening. And then also from last time, because these cabinets are actually smaller than these. These are 24 inches deep. These are I want to say 18 inches deep. What happened is that the countertops had to get cut. So these are the back pieces. So this is how it does look, like that. Everything looks that way. But what I'm going to do is come back and take this profile off right here. I'm going to knock this off, this one off here, and then this one off as well, and then just keep this here, and then paste that. Actually use some liquid nails or something to put it up against here, paste on there, and attach it here. And then I'm gonna probably add a return on this side as well, and maybe one here as well. So that's the same thing that's gonna happen with this backsplash here, this backsplash as well. Another nice detail was continuing the countertop, and it actually went kind of outside. I should take it in some more, but when you close the door, that's how we're looking when you close the door. So it's just a nice other detail, just continuing it instead of terminating it right here. Figured we'd take it all the way over, but same thing. Backsplash will be up here on the wall, backsplash here as well. And that's pretty much it. I'm just working on the plumbing, getting all the rough ends today, and also cut these holes for the sinks, employee sink, and also the service sink. But man, outside of that, that's it. I'm gonna give you some more updates as the weeks progress while I'm out here working, busting my ass, getting it together. Man, I want y'all to continue enjoying what we call that damn good life. And this is Gersey signing off, man. Peace.